So we all know that we should be using video in our real estate businesses, but sometimes you just don't know where to start or what videos to make. That's why today I'm gonna go over 10 video ideas for real estate agents. These videos are help you generate more leads, increase your lead conversion, and get more referrals from your database. But real quick, this channel is all about teaching real estate agents how to use YouTube for lead generation. If that interests you, you should consider subscribing. So the first video is gonna be a relocation guide video. These are the single videos that generate me the most amount of leads out of all of my videos. And these types of videos should have information in them that somebody would wanna know if they're planning on moving to an area. So talk about things to do, shopping, parks, schools, etc. So an example of this would be my video, Living in Maryland, Pros versus Cons. This video ranks on the first page of Google for the search term living in Maryland, as well as the search term moving to Maryland. Another example will be my video, 10 things to know before moving to Annapolis, Maryland. This video ranks on the first page of Google for moving to Annapolis, but also ranks in YouTube search for just Annapolis, Maryland. These videos are gonna be how hot buyers are gonna discover you and your YouTube channel, and if done correctly, they will absolutely generate you leads. So the next type of video is gonna be a neighborhood highlight video, where you're going giving stats about the neighborhood, maybe you're highlighting parks and community features. And these videos can be as simple as you holding your phone out your car window, or as complex as getting a drone and flying it over the neighborhood. And this is what I did for one of my videos about Annapolis, Maryland, and then I came back to my studio and I recorded the rest of the video here in my studio. People want to see the community and they want information about the community. And if you're the one that's providing that information to them, you're setting yourself up as a local expert. And these types of videos will absolutely generate you buyer leads. Now the next type of video is gonna be a listing video. Now the secret to a listing video is that you as the agent need to be in the video. The truth is the standard video of just an empty house just does not perform well. They don't perform well on Facebook, on Instagram, or on YouTube. If you want these videos to generate you seller leads, you need to be in the video, giving a tour of the property, giving your commentary, making it entertaining and making it fun. So one thing I love about this house is all the updates. It has updated appliances, updated hardware, updated light fixtures, and the list goes on. So check out this kitchen. That is a granite countertop with a marble backsplash. You just don't see these high-end upgrades in this price range very often. So the next video is gonna be a client testimonial video. Have a client stand in front of their new house and let them talk about how great of an experience it was working with you. Or even at the closing table, you can just pull out your phone and get a quick 1-minute long testimonial from your clients about working with you. Or as a last resort, you could even do a Zoom call with some of your past clients, record it, and edit it with kind of a montage of pictures of the home that they bought. The truth is, most of our clients are so happy when buying or selling a home that they would not just be willing to do a video testimonial, they'd be excited to do one for you. And these types of videos would go perfect on your website and would absolutely increase your lead conversion for any leads that you send to your site. So the next type of video would be a simple about me video. This is one of the first videos that all real estate agents should make. Just talk about who you are, why you became a real estate agent, and what kind of experience you're bringing to the table. And this will allow people to get to know you on a personal level and start building that relationship with you. This will also let them know that you're a real human being and that they shouldn't be intimidated about reaching out to you, because that does happen. So the next type of video that you can make is educational videos about how you can buy or sell a home. These are actually some of my most popular videos. So you can talk about the home buying process or how different loans work or how to even prepare your home for the real estate market. Whenever I get a new lead, I always find some excuse to send them one of my YouTube educational videos just so I can start building that relationship with them using video. And my educational videos also give me a lot of leverage in my real estate business, because when I get a new lead, I don't need to explain how to use the VA loan or what the first time home buyer process is like or how to get your home ready for the real estate market, because I can just send them one of my videos instead. So the next type of video that you can do is local restaurants and business highlight videos. These types of videos are great for educating people who want to move to your area about your favorite places in your community, and they're also great at building relationships with the business owners in your community as well. Now here's my view on these types of videos though. These types of videos won't necessarily build you a local audience. Nobody really goes on YouTube and searches their favorite restaurant's name. But if you already have an audience, whether that's on Facebook or in your database or on YouTube, these types of videos are great for providing value to that local audience. So the next type of video is some sort of parody or skit video. You know, these are great at, again, building that relationship with your clients and showing them that you're a real human being. Make them fun, make them entertaining, kind of let your guard down a little bit.
If you could pick one celebrity to buy my house, who would it be?
John Stamos.
What? Did you just become my realtor?
Yup.
You want to go downstairs and sign a listing agreement?
Yup.
The next type of video I recommend is a simple screen recording showing people how to navigate your website. Show them where to fill out the contact form, or show them how to set themselves up on a property alert using your website. There's gonna be a lot of people who discover you from your other videos and they're ready to take the next step. You just need to show them what to do. So the next type of video is gonna be highlighting local parks or attractions in your area. If you have any cool festivals or national parks in your area, go do a video tour of these. Go do a vlog of you exploring these areas. I have a park near me that a lot of people find old fossils at, so I shot a vlog of my wife and I exploring this park looking for fossils.
So this is why you shouldn't wear pants coming here.
What's going on, guys? Malcolm here, and today we are going fossil hunting in Calvert Cliffs, Maryland, down in Calvert County. And I have buyers all the time telling me that they watched that video and they're excited to move to my area so that they can go fossil hunting at this park as well. So the next type of video is gonna be a simple market update video. These are some of the easiest videos that you can make, and they provide a lot of value to the people in your community. Just once a month, pull up the information about your local market and shoot a video of you interpreting this information and what it means for buyers and sellers in your community. Now, this type of video is not evergreen, which means it won't really be relevant in 2-3 months down the road, but that's why you should be doing this every single month. And something like this would be perfect for emailing out to your database once a month. A 30-year fixed rate mortgage is currently at 4.58%, and a 15-year fixed rate mortgage is currently at 4%. So what does this all mean for you? Hey, if you want to learn more about using video in your real estate business, click on this playlist right here to check out a few of my other videos. And don't forget to check out the Real Estate YouTube Mastermind Facebook group, where you can connect with other real estate agents using YouTube in their businesses. I'll have a link in the description below.